In this video, we're going to go through the process of creating warehouses in Sage Intacct. Warehouses can be used to track quantities and values for various stocking locations such as actual warehouses or stores. For the purpose of this example, let's assume that you have a business with multiple warehouses and you want to create a warehouse hierarchy. This hierarchy will allow you to associate a parent warehouse with its applicable child warehouses. Sage Intacct allows warehouse tracking. If you've enabled warehouse tracking, you can create the bins before creating the warehouses and associate the warehouses with the bins. Or you can create and manage the bins from within the warehouses. To begin, let's start off by creating the parent warehouse. Go to Applications, Inventory, Setup, and scroll down to Warehouses. Now you can add warehouses and you can add aisles, bins, groups, rows, or zones if you have tracking enabled for your warehouses. Now I'm going to click on Warehouse and click on the Add button to add a new warehouse. In the warehouse creation form, we're going to add the necessary details for the parent warehouse, such as the name, the address, and other relevant information. Our warehouse ID is 700. The name of the warehouse is Warehouse SA. Select the location for your warehouse, and you can add more relevant information like your manager ID, contacts, and you can enable replenishment or allow negative inventory for this warehouse. Under the tracking information, you can add the tracking information like your bills, your aisles, rows, and bin phase on a specific warehouse. So once you have filled in all the required fields, click on the Save button. Now we have created the parent warehouse. Let's move on creating the child warehouses. Child warehouses are associated with the parent warehouse and they represent different stocking location within your business. To create a child warehouse, click on the Add button again, and in the warehouse creation form, we're going to enter details for the child warehouse. The warehouse ID is 700-01. The warehouse location is Cape Town. Select South Africa as the location. The manager ID can be added, and in the parent warehouse, we're going to select the previously created warehouse. Click on the drop down and select 700 Warehouse SA that we recently created. And you can enable replenishment for this warehouse, and you can add tracking information for this warehouse as well. So once you've filled all the required information, click on Save button to create the child warehouse. As you can see, I have the warehouse hierarchy already created for the 700 warehouse. You can repeat this process for each child warehouse you want to create. And that is how you would add warehouses and warehouse hierarchy in Sage Intacct.